You know, stress is a fact of life. If we can decrease the stress that causes health problems, then we can prevent problems from happening in the future, and you will feel better and improve your quality of life. We will go over the ways your body responds to the 3 dimensions of stress, and I will show you 5 strategies to decrease stress. And I will show you how we test for stress and tell you how you can do the test yourself. This is a health empowerment class I call Bang Head Here. Here we go. So what is stress exactly? What happens when we're under stress and how does it affect our body? Well, anytime your brain assesses a situation and makes a decision, it is under stress. Some decisions are easy and some are hard and frustrating. When we respond to stress, we often do so with the flight or fight or the sympathetic response. Your heart rate goes up, your breathing elevates, and your stress hormones increase. Your muscles tense up, and the mind begins to process information rapidly. Your body is protecting itself and turning on the juices so that you are ready to take action. The body's stress response system is usually self-regulating, and body functions return to normal. This sympathetic-parasympathetic response happens automatically by the autonomic nervous system. The problem now is that complexities in our society are on the rise, and the side effects of stress are accumulating more and more. And it's difficult for us to bounce back from that stress. Things like job pressure, money, health, relationships, poor nutrition, media overload, and sleep deprivation are worse than ever. 77% of people regularly experience physical symptoms caused by stress. So now let's look at the 5 strategies to eliminate stress for good. Strategy 1, physical fitness. John F. Kennedy said, "Physical fitness is not only one of the most important keys to a healthy body, it is the basis of dynamic and creative intellectual activity." As you adopt positive physical stress in your body, like proper strengthening exercises, cardio exercises, and good posture, your body becomes more empowered, and this gives you a greater sense of well-being. Walking in the trees is shown to decrease levels of stress hormone in the body. The same goes for light gardening, where your hands are digging into the soil and your fingers are able to touch the dirt. Both these activities are shown to decrease the levels of stress hormone in the body. Strategy 2, good nutrition. Start by eliminating all caffeine, alcohol, smoking, and vaping, and drugs. This toxic load would deplete your body of nutrients. Then you want to choose a diet consisting of organic fruits and vegetables and nuts. And if you eat meat, make sure that it's wild, organic, or grass-finished, and drink clean, filtered water. Toxins in the body create symptoms like anxiety and fatigue, and eliminating them will help you feel better and heal faster. For more on detoxing, watch my detox class, The Detoxification Conversation. And strategy 3. Stay in the moment. I was out of the moment for a second. If you are new to meditation, try an app like Headspace. It is free for a month and it guides you through different techniques for meditation. When we are unhappy, it is often due to our own exaggerated expectations. Maybe you expected me to be speaking more quickly. Take a moment to be grateful for our family and our friends, our country we live in, and your chiropractor. Take time every day to focus on developing yourself by reading, meditating, or exercise. And this brings us to strategy 4, and that is organizing. You know, you're probably already Marie Kondoing your home, but what about tidying your schedule? First, write down 3 long-term goals. It may be health-related, or job-related, or relationship-related. Next to it, write 3 things you can do this month or even today to bring you closer to those goals. Make sure to include your health goals. Collect and organize thoughts throughout the day using a to-do list. A notebook could work, but I use an app called Clear to quickly write down tasks and projects. This is a perpetual list. I can bring things to the top or swipe them away when it's complete. Every night, set aside time to read your goals and to-do lists, and then go into your calendar and plan your next day. Plan everything from your morning meditation or prayer and getting the kids ready to checking emails and making dinner. Whatever you do, don't check your emails first thing in the morning. Research has shown that checking emails on your phone first thing in the morning increases stress hormones in the body. You are, after all, then forced to respond and react, stimulating the flight or fight response. Make the first 15 minutes or hour about you getting ready for your day. Strategy number 5. Now that you are organized, let's go back to that thing that organizes everything in your body. Your sympathetic and parasympathetic activity is automatic. This part of your nervous system is called the autonomic nervous system. Chiropractic improves the health of your nervous system. So how can we tell how your body is properly processing stress? Well, we can measure its function using a process of 3 scans. The first is heart rate variability, the second is a thermal scan, and the third is surface EMG. All these signs of stress improve in patients under chiropractic care. Heart rate variability shows the nervous system's ability to process your stress load. This is the ability for your heart to speed up and slow down. HRV lowers when your nervous system's ability to process stress is impaired. Thermal scans measure how stress is affecting the way your nervous system controls the tissues and circulation in your body. When a spinal level is under stress, the temperature becomes asymmetrical. An EMG shows your posture and muscle tension. All of these functions work automatically because the brain and nervous system coordinate the function of everything in your body, which includes adapting to the stresses around you. At Una Vita, we use techniques designed to create normal muscle tension and tone in the nervous system. This ultimately fine-tunes and enhances your performance. When we review our 5 strategies to decrease stress right now, you will see that every one of them depends on your nervous system because every part of your life is lived through your nervous system. Number 1, every exercise. Number 2, every food you eat. Number 3, every thought you have while living in the moment and while organizing. All of these processes are controlled by number 5, the nervous system. Having a care program that is designed especially for you to optimize the function of your nervous system, it permeates all of these parts of your life. What could possibly be more important? If it's not important to you, then maybe it's important so that you can stay healthy and take care of your family or take care of the people who rely on you at work. Tonight, when you look at your health goals and plan your day, make that 15-minute visit to the chiropractor a priority. It is 1% of your day. It may seem unbelievable that such a small amount of time can make such a huge difference. It seems normal to me now and my staff that someone can walk in completely debilitated with headaches or back pain, and in the first month they come in for a few minutes 3 or 4 times a week. It's 1 hour total per week maximum for 4 to 6 weeks, and their lives are completely changed. It's not an hour a day, an hour per week. That's 0.6% of your time and about 1% of your waking time at most, and it works. And it's not because of me, it's because of the adjustment and your body healing itself. If you get adjusted 1 time per week for wellness, well, that's 0.14% per week. If you come in every 2 weeks, that's 1/1000th of your time to maintain the function of the part of your body that controls everything. What do you think? Do you think you will be less stressed out when you are living pain-free? I hope so. So here is your plan. Start off by writing down 3 goals for the year, minimum, and make sure one of them is a health goal. Organize time to reach those goals and also to take a walk in the trees and to buy some organic fruit and vegetables. Time to meditate or pray, and to go online to unavitachiro.ca to schedule your adjustment. If you're new to my office, then welcome. We will be doing all those scans I talked about and more at your initial visit, and we do them again at every examination to track your progress. And we do this for you at no additional cost, just because I love seeing your stress disappear. This has been Bang Head here. Have a great day.